How to install your Tesla Model 3 2024 custom fit seat covers. Read the description to see other compatible models. To install the bottom cover, position it on your car seat, ensuring it aligns with the seat's contour. Push the buckle straps through the seat crevice. Tuck in the corners of the cover, ensuring it aligns with the seat and accommodates the seat's controls. Finally, tuck in the seat cover clip and sponge bar. Lift your seat to position it for the next step. Go to the back of your seat and unhook the latch underneath. This will create a passageway for your straps. Grab the straps you passed through the crevice and place them underneath the front side of your seats. Then, connect and securely tighten the straps under the seat. Slide the backrest cover onto the seat, aligning it with the contour until it's fully secured. Insert the backrest cover sponge bar into the seat crevice. Grab the metal hooks on the back of your seat cover and secure them underneath your car seat. Remove your rear seat by pulling the left and right side latches open while simultaneously lifting the seat. Place the bottom seat cover on the bench seat, aligning it with the seat's contours. Feed the two middle straps through the corresponding seatbelt holder opening. Place the two outer side straps underneath your seat, making sure the seat cover's side corners are properly aligned. Attach the buckle straps underneath your car seat. Simply connect the inner two straps to their buckles. Pass the outer side straps through the loops and connect them to the corresponding buckles. Pass the last side strap through the loop, connect the buckle, and tighten for a secure fit. Reinsert the bottom seat by pushing it inward while holding the seatbelt holder up to fit into its corresponding hole. Push the bottom seat inward until it is securely connected. Unzip the backrest covers on the 60 side, then fold down the 60 side backrest. Pull out the seatbelt, place the 60 side cover underneath, and cover the backrest. Ensure the cover aligns correctly. Insert the backrest cover sponge bar into the seat crevice. Ensure the entire 60 side is covered and properly aligned, and zip up the back side of the seat. Lastly, flip the bottom of the backrest over, remove the seal from the hook and loop, and attach it to the seat upholstery. Fold the armrest down and slide the cover over it, ensuring the seams are properly aligned. Insert the sponge bar of the armrest cover into the seat crevice. Remove the side bolster by firmly holding the inner side and pulling it outward. Cover the bolster with the bolster cover, aligning it according to the shape of the bolster. Secure your bolster cover by looping the straps over the corresponding section as demonstrated in the video. can also refer to this image for guidance. Reattach your bolster, ensuring proper alignment, and push inward to secure it. Great job, your covers are successfully installed. Now all that's left to do is enjoy your 2024 Tesla Model 3 seat covers.